Not every home gets to say it was designed by a legend.
But this one does. It's a Ralph Haver original, and it's pure 1950s magic. This isn't just a house. It's a slice of Phoenix history. Built in the golden era of mid-century design, this Haver home features his signature low-pitched rooflines, clerestory windows, and an open floor plan that made desert living feel effortless and cool, literally.
Step inside and you'll feel it. The wide open living spaces, the block construction, the floor-to-ceiling windows. This was the blueprint for casual modern living before it was even trendy. And here, it's been preserved beautifully.
And of course, no Haver is complete without that indoor-outdoor vibe. The backyard here feels like your own private resort, lush, laid back, and just begging for a vintage cocktail party.
You're in the heart of Phoenix.
Minutes from Uptown, Melrose, and all the best dining the city has to offer.
It's a perfect mix of heritage and convenience. If you're searching for a home with soul, history, and that unmistakable mid-century charm, this is it.
Don't just live in Phoenix, own a piece of its history. And to see more historic homes like this one, be sure to like, share, and subscribe.